This is a Dell laptop. This is a AMD laptop, and this laptop has come to me for repair. We connect DC power supply. See the impedance. We power on the laptop is taken 0.016, and when we power connect, when we switch power, it's unable to power on. It's completely dead. Let's open what is issue in the motherboard. We open this board. Now we power on this board. Taken same an amp 0.016, and we checking all voltages with the help of multimeter. This is a 3 volt, 5 volt, 3.42 is okay, 5 volt also okay. This is our battery impedance, 3.3 volt, data and clock is okay. Power switch 3.3 volt okay, and Win 19 volt is also okay. Here's 1.0 1 volt prime, 1 prime is also okay, and here is a 2.5 volt. This is a 2.5 volt. This voltage is missing. We have to check why this voltage is missing. Let's replace or check these ICs all requirements. We repair this motherboard. We replace this IC, and now we connect the DC power supply. See, we on DC power supply. It's taken an amp, fan spin, and display also coming. This case study of Dell laptop is now complete. Thank you.